No mai, haere mai. Welcome to Aorere College. Our high school hosts students from the ages of 12 to 18. We are in one of the most diverse cities in the world, and international students will discover a unique and immersive cultural experience, learning local customs, participating in the arts and sports programs at school, all in a modern digital learning environment. Our international student programs are flexible. They can be as short as a week, offering a taste of life in New Zealand, or as long as a year, providing a rich source of life-changing memories. Aorere College hosts students from a variety of cultural backgrounds, over 20 different ethnicities. Among these, we count Māori, Pacifica, and Southeast Asian. Our school celebrates diversity in multicultural festivals. We host language weeks and raise up the different values and traditions of our cultures. Together, the students of our school represent the melting pot of cultures that is Auckland. The arts have a treasured place at our school. There are a large range of opportunities offered to students to excel in visual arts, from photography, painting, and digital design. In music, students can learn instruments, develop vocal techniques, and form bands who have performed successfully at national competitions. Students with a passion for dance will find their strength in our dance studio. We have had groups and crews compete at national level and win grand prizes. We also have a film academy that has produced sold-out, award-winning live cinema productions, which incorporate live music, dance, acting, and original script writing, all elements that we develop in our arts program. A variety of sports are offered at Aorere College, from basketball and netball to football and badminton. In addition to coaching programs, we also offer extensive support in student sports performance, particularly on the rugby field. Rugby is our national sport, and it has a special home at Aorere. We have produced international rugby stars that have gone on to play for teams such as the All Blacks. Whether serious or just for fun, our school sports scene offers a chance for anyone to get fit and enjoy themselves. We are a Google school. We strive to provide access to Chromebooks and other 21st century learning tools to develop our students' capabilities, leaning into the increasingly digital future we are faced with. Our school provides programs that foster innovation, such as robotics, computer programming, and website building. With an eye to the future, we are fortunate to be one of 2 schools in the world who are trialing the Microsoft HoloLens to see how this mixed reality technology encourages student learning. We pride ourselves on equipping our students who are learning English as a second language with tools and experiences that help them connect to New Zealand life. Our program works because the students are immersed, challenged, and supported. Beyond the mentioned dimensions of school life, our school offers a robust academic program that is sure to offer challenges to those pursuing careers in subjects like biology, chemistry, and physics, social sciences like geography, history, and classical studies, and mathematics and the arts. We also offer vocational pathway programs for students interested in trades like mechanical engineering and hospitality for those who want a future in catering. There's something for everyone to pursue. Our staff and students have a reputation for friendliness and support. Our homestays often include our own teachers, so we provide a caring environment for students to grow and experience the many dimensions of life at Aorere. We are located only 10 minutes away from the Auckland International Airport, so we are only 1 flight away. Come join us at Aorere, and you will leave as a family. Kia ora and ka kite.